In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on videos in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to make your subject appear closer, crop in for emphasis, or simply adjust the framing of a shot, DaVinci Resolve makes that very easy. The zoom controls are built right into the inspector, so once you know where to look, the process is quick and straightforward. To begin, go down to your timeline and click on the video clip you want to work with. Make sure the correct clip is selected before changing anything, because any adjustments you make will apply to the clip that's currently highlighted. This is especially important if you have multiple clips stacked or placed close together on the timeline. Once your clip is selected, move to the top right area of the interface and open the inspector. If the inspector is not already visible, just click it to bring it up. This panel contains the main controls for adjusting the appearance and position of your selected clip. Inside the inspector, stay under the video section and look for the transform controls. This is where you'll find the zoom settings. In particular, you'll see Zoom X and Zoom Y. These control the horizontal and vertical zoom of your video. In most cases, if you want a normal proportional zoom in, you'll adjust both values together so the image scales evenly. You can change these values in two simple ways. The first option is to click and drag directly on the X and Y controls. This is useful when you want to make quick visual adjustments and see the result update in real time in the preview window. The second option is to click on the value and type in a number manually. This can be helpful if you want more precision or if you already know exactly how much you want to zoom in. As you increase the zoom values, your video will appear closer. If the image starts to feel too tight or cuts off important parts of the frame, reduce the values slightly until the shot looks balanced. A good tip here is to keep an eye on image quality because zooming in too much can make footage look softer, especially if the original clip was not recorded at a very high resolution. That's all it takes to zoom in on a video in DaVinci Resolve. Select your clip, open the inspector, go to the video transform controls, and adjust Zoom X and Zoom Y by dragging or entering values manually. Once you've done it a couple of times, this will become a very fast part of your editing workflow.